we would like to introduce our 2012 Peterbilt 386 Trade Group. Equipped with Peterbilt's Prestige interior package, these units have a clean and functional appearance. All units come with factory air-ride seats. The AM/FM CD stereo feeds a concert-class stereo system. Cummins technology delivers proven strength. Specs include a 70-inch ultra-cab sleeper, flex-air suspension, 234-inch wheelbase, Dana Spicer rear axles in a 3.42 ratio, Cummins ISX 450 horsepower engine with a factory engine brake, Eaton 10-speed ultra-shift transmission, dual 100-gallon fuel tanks, and an air slide fifth wheel. Average fuel economy is 6 or more miles a gallon. Financing is available for most buyers.